एक महान फिल्मकार शंकर लाल जी गोइन का। और आज इनको एक लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड जो मिला है, उसके लिए राइज प्लेस से इनको हम बधाई देते हैं। तो कृपया आपको आज कैसा महसूस हो रहा है इसमें?
मैं सोशल वर्क अपना कर्तव्य समझ के करता था। मैंने कभी भी नहीं सोचा कि इस कर्तव्य के लिए मेरे को आज ये लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड मिलेगा। मैं इसके लिए बहुत अभिभूत हूँ और मेरे को बहुत खुशी है कि आज बी बरुआ कैंसर इंस्टीट्यूट जैसे लोगों ने मेरे को ये अवार्ड दिया। और मैं सबको ये विश्वास दिलाता हूँ कि भविष्य में मैं अपने सोशल कर्तव्य से कभी विमुख नहीं होऊंगा। मेरे को अपनी सोशल सर्विस के लिए इतना बड़ा सम्मान मिलेगा, वो भी एक हफ्ते में 2 बार। पहली बार लायंस क्लब ऑफ इंडिया ने मेरे को सम्मान दिया और विद इन ए वीक मेरे को बी बरुआ कैंसर इंस्टीट्यूट ने सम्मानित किया। इसके लिए मैं बहुत अपने आप को गौरवशाली समझता हूँ और अपने पूर्वजों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ।
In the various fields of our society, working in the field of health and then also in the field of social sector, who have contributed significantly for this development of the society in the state of Assam and the northeastern region. Our civilization, our value system in the society over the years have taught us to express our gratitude to all those who have, in spite of lot of challenges, they have contributed significantly for the development of the society. And that is why we thought that it is our bounden duty to felicitate, to present Lifetime Achievement Award to doyens in the field of one in the field of the health sector and then another in the field of social sector for their valuable contribution. Dr. N.N. Datta, when he started the downtown hospital, probably that was the first big corporate private hospital in the state of Assam, and then not many people would have dared to start a big hospital like this. He was working in the medical college, but then he accepted the challenges to come up with the downtown hospital. He didn't stop there. He expanded his activities. Now he has expanded to include the Assam Downtown University, and then large number of the students, faculties have been benefited not only from the hospital but also from the university. Now we can say that for the downtown hospital and then downtown university, sky is the limit. We are extremely grateful to Dr. N.N. Datta for the service that he has rendered over the years for the people of Assam and the northeastern region. And that is why Dr. B. Borua Cancer Institute is extremely pleased to confer you the Lifetime Achievement Award. We are thankful to you for accepting our invitation.
Tumor Board of BBCI for taking the collective decision for the treatment of cancer. It gave me a lot of satisfaction to upgrade the equipped 20-bedded daycare chemotherapy ward in the institute, which has benefited large number of patients. In future, I would like to be associated with all-round development of this. We once again express our gratitude to management of Dr. B. Barua Cancer Institute for conferring me the Lifetime Achievement Award. I'll be failing in my duty if I don't mention Mr. N.N. Datta, which he has done for the Goa. I have seen his humble beginning with the downtown hospital, which has now grown in a MIT University. I must thank him for the contribution he has made the people of Assam and particularly for the people of Guwahati. We once again express the gratitude in the management of Dr. B. Barwa Cancer Institute for conferring me the Lifetime Achievement Award. I also appeal to the individuals of the philanthropic organization to join hands with Dr. B. Barwa Cancer Institute to serve the relief to needy patients. And the last I must say, long live Dr. B. Barwa Cancer Institute. Long live Dr. B. Barwa Institute. Long live Dr. B. Barwa Institute.
Respect you. And one of his, your cousin Ramesh Agarwal, he was a district governor. Ramkumar is the district governor in Rotary, Reliance. I was district governor in Rotary. And my predecessor was Ramesh Agarwal, his relation. And Ramesh Agarwal, when he used to come to Guwahati, he stayed in his house and he used to visit me. And I have many memories of Ramesh Agarwal because I am telling I stayed in his house in Jorhat, stayed in his house in Calcutta, and I met him a number of times.
असम के सबसे सक्रिय हिंदी डिजिटल मीडिया राइस प्लस की खबरें अपने व्हाट्सएप पर नियमित तौर से पाने के लिए 8882276606 पर स्टार्ट लिख कर भेजें। आप हमारे फेसबुक पेज राइस प्लस लाइव को लाइक कर भी हमारी खबरें पा सकते हैं।